And the winner is...
Stop, stop, stop! Oh, fuck! Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to yet another video. Last week I've been super busy, just working on the Evo, getting it ready, getting the whole turbo kit done. The car's done. I just have to get tuned, but today is gonna be a little more of a chill day. I have a photo shoot set up in Coeur d'Alene, which is like an hour east of me right now. Should be a pretty fun day, so sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Look what I see, a big ass tunnel. God damn, this car's too loud. Awesome, thank you. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, the only thing different about it is all this shit right here. And then obviously the manifold's different, the downpipe's different. I want it to look like factory-ish, but if you know what you're looking at, you're like, okay, that's a big ass turbo. That car looks so good. Big ass wing. How does it sound?
It's that loud.
It's insane. It's way different now, isn't it? It's too loud for me. Like, I don't enjoy driving it, so I'm gonna throw the other exhaust on for now. Look who else decided to show up. Watch him door my shit. Dooring Evo caught on camera.
Total it.
Total it. We all know that no photo session or photo shoot is complete without rollers, so we're gonna go bang out some sick ass rollers. I'll show you guys the location. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's through like some canyons, and it's a super cloudy day, so you're gonna look absolutely insane. I think you popped your bumper off, bro. Jesus, that low life. Don't do it. You always told your STI on YouTube? Brand new. No, that was the easy fix. All right, roller time.
Special emphasis to certain sections of the orbit.
Check out the homies. Really taking some rollers over here. Oh, whoa.
Be good.
Yeah, I bet. That sounded loud. Is it really raspy?
It's real. I mean, it sounds like a Honda.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was telling Bobby.
See you, man. Have a good one.
Hi, George.
All right, man.
Go follow him on Instagram. You'll see all those banger ass rollers he just took. I'm back home now. Tonight we are headed to the lake. There's a little fireworks show. It's called Loon Lake. It's like some small lake way up north of me. I'm trying to get the drone fixed. I didn't tell you guys, but when I was filming the, what race was it? It was the FRS versus WRX race. I was following them, and all of a sudden the drone literally fell out of the air. And ever since then, one of the sensors is not working. So I'm trying to get that fixed right now because I don't want it to just drop into the lake. So I'm trying to get that fixed, and then we're gonna head to the lake. So enjoy this dope little edit coming at you right now. What is up, guys? It is now the next day, and you know how I was telling you about before I went to the lake with the drone? I was trying to fix it because it fell out of the sky, and I didn't want it to fall out of the sky again into the lake. Well, check this out. All right, check this out. Yeah, so did it again. Thankfully, I was able to recover some of the footage that you guys just saw with that little edit, but I was falling behind the boat and it randomly disconnected from the controller, dove into the lake, and I dove in after it. I was reading online that other people's drones have fallen into the lake. They've been able to dry them out. It's really weird. I have no clue why it's doing that, but I am very thankful it happened there and not like at Stance Wars or something or a big car event. Imagine if this thing would have fallen directly from the sky at 400 feet and nailed someone in the dome. That would have freaking done some damage.
Cool. Thanks. I like your car.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. I think I know what is in this box. I've been waiting for this for a while. Let's go see if it fits this bumper. I've had 2 other ones of these. They're replica Rocket Bunny diffusers, and they didn't fit. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm gonna go try to throw this diffuser on the car right now. Don't mind me rocking no shirt today. It's so freaking hot outside. It's like 95 degrees today. I also picked up something else for the Evo. Let's just go throw it on right now, actually. I don't know, what do you think? Pretty dope, I guess. I don't mind it. All right, whatever, I'll run those for a bit. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them on there just because I live on a gravel road and I don't want the back of my car to fill up with dirt. I'm gonna head down to the shop right now, see if this new diffuser I got for the FRS is gonna fit. I really hope it will, because Stance Wars is coming up really soon and I want the car to be looking at its best for Stance Wars and for Week Fest. Ooh, what's up, girl? Looking fresh. It's the same shit as the other diffusers I've tried to run on this car, the other V2s. Yeah, this is another replica diffuser. This company was like 120%, it's gonna fit. I'm gonna go inside right now, send them an email. They seem like a pretty stand-up company. Well, I guess we're not gonna get a diffuser on today. I think what I'm gonna do is put on my parent exhaust back on the Evo. This may be the last time we hear the Evo with the Tomei exhaust. Oh, it just sounded so good before with the stock manifold. I cannot believe it changed it that much. Fuck, that's loud. All right, so I've already done a full install tutorial and everything with Evo X exhaust. It was with the Tomei exhaust, actually. I have a link right up in the top right corner. All right, we got the new exhaust on, so I'm gonna go ahead and fire this thing up. Let's hope it sounds good. What? It's like the opposite now. It's so freaking quiet. Oh man, that was pretty freaking quiet. What's something in between, like middle of the road? Because this is pretty quiet now. If you have any suggestions at all, drop them down in the comment section below. I don't know how well that sound came through without my external mic, but it sounds really good when you get on it and the external wastegates open up. I really do like the dual tip though. It looks so clean with that diffuser. Whatever, car world. All right, so I just got back home from town. I went and drove the car for a good hour and a half. Something with the exhaust is hitting the body of the car, and I also have an exhaust leak, so I need to get that fixed. I'm gonna get it up on some stands. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. But so far, I'm really liking the parent exhaust. It's nice and quiet, but when you get on it and those wastegates open up, it is so damn loud. It just sounds absolutely insane. And now with the quieter catback, you can hear the turbo a lot more as well from the intake. I think I'm gonna keep the parent on for a while. I'm liking the parent.
Yeah, it's definitely right there. It's definitely hitting right there. And then that clamp back there is leaking a little bit.
What the problem is this test pipe is like angling it right into the car. What I'm gonna do is cut this like pretty much all the way through and then bend it, put that at a different angle, that flange back there at a different angle, and then try to weld it up as long as it's not too big of a gap. I don't know, that's kind of a big gap to weld, but I could try. Actually, is this even stainless? It's not titanium, is it? Where's a magnet? Oh yeah, and I completely messed up my foot or my ankle. I was up there rotating my turbo and I jumped off the car because I was kind of laying on it like I always do. So I jumped off the car and there was a flashlight landing or sitting down there, and my foot landed on it like sideways, and now my fucking ankle is just killing me. So I'm like limping around the shop trying to get this shit done. Well, I don't know what kind of material that is. All right, so I got the pipe cut right there, bent it a little back, and then this flange won't line up, so I had to cut that right there and make it so the flange will line up again. So I'm gonna bring this pipe to somebody and see if they can weld that up for me, just how it is. I did not expect to be doing this today at all though. It's all welded up, ready to go. Let's get this on the car. Quite a bit of clearance under here now. That was the main area that I was hitting before, and as you can see, there's about at least an inch of clearance everywhere now. Ah, my foot. Oh, fuck, that's getting bad. All right, wish me luck. Let's go make sure we don't have any leaks or anything. That flange right there is definitely leaking a little bit on top. Hell yeah, bros, this thing is good to go. The exhaust is not hitting anything, so that'll make my 6-hour drive down to Portland a whole much better experience. I finally got batteries for my new mic, so let's throw it on and see how much better it sounds. Oh, and I have a special guest. Wait, what the fuck are you doing? Okay, so I got the mic on. It should be a lot better now. I was gonna show you our special guest later on, but okay, I'll just show you him right now. Look who it is. The one and only.
3 cities.
Jordan or 3 cities. We're having a little car meet tonight. It's at 9 p.m. Right now it's, Jordan, we gotta get going. Right now it's 6:47. I still have to go down to the shop and get that wide body panel wrapped on the FRS, and then we're gonna head to the meet at 9. So I was gonna do a tutorial for you guys, but that's gonna take way too long. I'm just gonna bust out that wide body panel, get it wrapped, get it on the car. Wait, do you wanna wrap it for me?
Dude, I'll try.
Bro?
Yeah.
Let's do it. This is Jordan's car. I'm sure you guys have seen it before, especially if you've seen him on the channel. I'll have his channel actually up in the top right-hand corner, so go check it out. He's got some big plans. If you wanna see those big plans, go check out his channel.
Rhymes with Urbo.
So Jordan's never wrapped before, even though he has a wrapped car. He doesn't like to do shit himself, I guess.
No, I let companies do all my work.
I feel it. Anyways, he's gonna try to wrap this panel. So this is the panel that got destroyed, and it's fixed now, so it looks pretty good. It goes right there. So we got the panel on. We're all good to go. This still looks like kind of like shit right here. I don't know if you guys can see that cracked under there and right there as well. I'm gonna go wash it real quick along with Jordan, and then we're gonna go eat, and then later tonight is the meet at 9 o'clock. I really wish I had the drone to fly, but as you guys know, I destroyed that thing. So I'm not gonna have any drone footage tonight, but it's gonna be just like a little meet and greet for our subscribers, and it's gonna be a damn good time. See you guys there. You ready? I'm actually gonna see if Jordan is down to race my FRS with his BRZ. They're the identical motor, they're both wide body cars. Both have super, super wide wheels on them. My wheels are actually a little bit wider, so maybe he'll beat me, but let's see if he's down to do some pulls. That'd be dope. You ready? What gear are you in? Are you in third? All right. I don't know how that works. I just beat his car. That's really weird. It's all good. It's all in good fun though. That is some funny shit. Do really slow, freaking wide body BRZ and FRS. Go at it. That was funny. This car does look really freaking good though coming down the road. What was up with that? How did I win? Were you in like 6th gear?
Oh, that second time I was in 5th.
Okay, what were you in the first time?
3rd.
Yeah, what the hell?
I think you just had to jump, bro. You got way too much aerodynamics.
Dope. So yesterday was actually Jordan's birthday. Go on his channel right now. Go wish him a happy birthday. Yeah, go wish this man a happy birthday.
Dude, next year's gonna be lit.
Follow me. Let's go wash your shit. Burnout. I literally brought nothing to wash the car with. So once again, I'm just gonna hose that off and then dry it up with a towel. It should be fine though. I haven't really driven it much, so we should be good. So my car's all cleaned, dried, and ready to go. We're just waiting on Jordan. So if we're late to our own car meet, it's because of Jordan, not because of me, just so you guys know. I will see you at the car meet. It's gonna be a hella good time. See everyone there. We made it out to the car meet, and it's crazy because there's like 4 or 5 bag cars right in a row. You're like the only one that's not on there.
I don't want to talk about it. Jordan needs a
Go tell Jordan that.
Jordan,
There's way too many vloggers here. One's gotta go, bro.
Jordan, you need a
No, I'm so scrunched up. I don't want to move her shit because I hate when people move people's shit. Bro,
Oh,
my
now
God.
you really need a new clutch.
All right. How do I go back in
Jesus.
this thing?
I want one.
A big turbo?
Yeah.
Do it. I want to go for a ride in that thing. That's fast as hell.
Well, I think I'm gonna leave.
This meet's not cool enough for her. I guess she's dipping out.
No,
Not cool enough cars, Jordan. Sorry.
all I say is that looks good. That looks good.
Damn, we're in California again. Why are you tripping?
Bro, I scraped so hard.
Pulling out of Dutch Bros?
I mean, I thought it popped out because I drove off. I think I ran over like a can or something because I heard a crunch.
Ouch.
And I'm like, I thought it was my front bumper. And I'm like, oh my God, dude. So I ran out of the car. I don't know if you see
I
me.
saw that. Right
Ran
there.
out of the car. Yeah, make sure my baby's all right.
Funny story, when I was trying to get that diffuser on my car, I dropped the exhaust, the cap back down off the hangers, and I didn't hang it back up, and I just noticed that when you're at Dutch Bros, my exhaust was hanging down super low, but apparently it's fine because Jordan said it wasn't flopping around. Yeah, it's off all my hangers in the rear, bro. Did you know that? That's so funny. So Jordan, what do you think of the Spokane scene?
I just honestly just come up here to pet your cat.
Oh, I see how it is. Or is it for Bobby?
It's the cat. I mean, Bobby does have some good workout tips for her channel, so make sure you guys check out her channel.
You might want to go look at your car, bro.
Huh?
You might want to go check on your car. No, you left your windows down last night? That's what Bobby just said.
No way.
Did Jordan mean to leave his window down? I said probably not, lol. Ooh, TJ Hunt, is that you?
I knew it.
Tripping. Or what if someone broke it down? Like broke it out. You good?
You know what? It's called trust out here, all right?
You trust everybody? Yeah, bro, your cage is gone.
No, my glasses are still there. Oh, my dollars.
Jordan, where are we at?
We're in a tunnel.
What?
In a tunnel. I mean, we're in a parking garage.
Yeah.
We got the FRS, we got Jordan's car, we got Jordan, and we got Chris and David, two freaking amazing photographers. And I wish I had a drone to fly, but I totally don't. So I'm gonna bring the car up here. Apparently it's a pretty sick location.
Drop that bitch.
That looks really good, dude. You're good on the front, go slow with the sides. Oh, hey, there we go. You have to go straight over this. Oh, stop. Oh, fuck. Go back. You're destroying your skirts, bro. Okay, you might. Oh my God. Those things are flexible as fuck. Go back. You're good. That could have ended bad, bro. Your skirt is fucked. Yeah, come look at it. It's all cracked to shit. No, I'm just kidding. You kind of peeled some vinyl up on the bottom. That was it. That thing flexed like really far though. That was rough, bro. That could have been gnarly. You get some fire today, bro?
That's all I ever get.
You know it. So we're out here in this big ass parking lot right now, and we're gonna do something that I've never even seen done before. Chris is gonna jump on his hoverboard and take it rollers. So I'm curious to see how this works. He's probably gonna ram one of the cars eventually, but hopefully not mine. Hopefully Jordan's car.
I like it.
Hoverboard rollers.
I think it's gonna be sick.
You think so?
Yeah.
I've seen them like done from a rig, which is where you like stick a pole off your car and they have a remote shutter. That's sick. This is like the same concept though. I'm curious to see how my car's gonna look when he fucking rams into it with this hoverboard. Right?
You've been practicing a little bit? So you can do some rollers? This camera's so damn light compared to mine. It's like kind of bullshit. Make sure you get a back end shot.
If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for sticking around. Now that you've heard the car with both exhaust systems, go down in the comment section below and let me know what you prefer better, the Tomei or the Perrin. There's also one more thing I need to do before I end this video. A few days ago, we did the giveaway, so I need to go pick that winner right now. Let's get it. Okay, so there's about 200 comments on here, but I'm gonna just grab this URL up here and then bring it over to a random comment generator or a random comment picker. Come over here, hit start, and the winner is Juan Dela Cruz. Juan Dela Cruz, you're the winner, man. Go ahead and shoot me a message on Instagram and I'll get this air freshener signed and shipped out to you. Congratulations, my man. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for sticking along. I really love and appreciate all of you guys. Pretty soon here, we're headed down to English to get the Evo tune, so that is definitely the highlight of my week and my month. It's gonna be absolutely insane. If you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.